This is section 7.3, day 2, and today we're going to take our idea of similar triangles and we're going to move into just a couple of shortcuts. You could actually not watch this lesson at all and stick to our 3 triangles method, where we were drawing our small, our medium, and our big triangle, and that method will work for you every time. But if you feel like you've got those down pretty good and you're maybe looking for a shortcut so you don't have to draw them every time, these are the 2 shortcuts we're going to show you. One is called the geometric mean using the altitude, and the altitude of the triangle is its height. The other one is the geometric mean, and it's using a leg of the triangle. So those 2 different proportions look like this. You're going to take AD, you're going to put that over the altitude, so CD. Then you're going to come back down the altitude, so CD, and then you're going to go out the side, so DB. It almost forms kind of like a T here in the middle. So you start at a corner, go to the T, up, back down, and out. And that is going to be your proportion in order to solve for any one of those missing lengths. To do the geometric leg mean, the geometric mean by leg, you're going to start at the T and go out the short side. You're going to go up the leg, so CB. You're going to come back down the outside. And then you're going to go across the whole length here, and that is usually a problem for kids because they forget that it has to be the whole thing. And you might do just like AD, but it's got to be that whole side length, which means DB, you've already used it, plus this AD, so it's got to be the whole thing. And then I'm just to show you 2 examples, one of each, so you can kind of get a feel for how they would work. So this one, I don't have anything up the altitude, so I'm not going to be using that one. I'll be using this geometric leg mean because I've got this outside edge here. So I'm going to start at the T. I'm going to head to the outside, so that's 3. I'm going to head up the leg, that's Y. Back down, that's another Y. And then the whole length of this side, which was, they conveniently gave me, which is 9. So Y times Y would give me Y squared, and 9 times 3 would give me 27. So you would have the square root of 27, which is approximately, hold on. Oh, sorry, I had a different, messed that up. About 5.2. Next up, this one does have the altitude. I have the line in the middle, and there's an X there. So I'm going to start at the outside edge, 4. Up the middle, that's X. Back down the middle, another X. And then out to the side, a 9. So X times X is X squared, and 9 times 4 is 36. And if you square root both sides, you're going to get X is 6. Both of these are, again, shortcuts to doing our normal 3 triangle system. So if you'd have drawn small, medium, big, and put your numbers on there, you could have pulled out what you needed in order to do the same exact proportion. This is just a slight shortcut if you are ready for it.